So, your Agile Accelerator Manager just sent you a blueprint. You open one of the templates and you begin the work with your team, when suddenly you come across something like this. Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to walk you through what insights are, how to participate in them, and how to view your team's results in the Insight dashboard. Let's get started. Now, you might be asking, what exactly are insights? Well, insights provide your team with a way to share feedback, track progress, and surface what's really happening with each other and with your leaders without needing another meeting. You can do that by interacting with these different visual activities or frames that your Agile Accelerator Manager has already placed on the canvas. Once your team participates and responds to these, the input is then summarized and aggregated back into a shared dashboard for easy viewing. It's a simple, structured way to make sure that your voice is heard and to help your team stay aligned while still being able to take action. So now you might be wondering, well, how do I participate in an insight? So let's walk through what this might look like. First, we're going to need to navigate back to our team hub. From here, we'll need to select one of our documents that are found within the blueprint. So let's go to our product backlog refinement document. Now in here, our Agile Accelerator Manager has already added in the template that we're going to be following, as well as these two insights. One being a single access visual activity, and the other one being a frame. And if we zoom in here, you'll notice that this icon appears at the top left on each of these elements. Well, that's because these are different insights that are going to be aggregated up to our Insights dashboard. So to participate in a single access visual activity, all you need to do is click the Start button, read the instructions provided, move your object, and then submit your response. As other team members do this, you'll also be able to view their results. And now we're going to go back here to the board. To participate in a frame insight, all that we need to do is add text into that frame. So I'm going to add a sticky note here, and I'll put, I'm feeling confident with our plan to execute. And then I'll add that into this frame. And now this text is going to be aggregated up into that insight as well. So now we need to check out where that data goes. And to do that, we're going to return back to our team hub. And once we're in our team hub here, we're going to navigate down here to the Insights dashboard. Here we'll be able to see any dashboards from blueprints that have been shared with us. We were just in the Project Everest one, so I'm going to select that. And now you'll be able to see our two insights that we filled out. So the first one being, what is the reason for your confidence level and confidence in execution? That's what we had put, and that's what's summarized here. I'm feeling confident with our plan to execute. And if we go back here, our other one should now be populated, and we can go in and see the results for that one as well. So now you should have a good idea of what insights are, how to join in, and how to check your team's results so that you can see how your feedback fits into the bigger picture. This is going to help you spot trends, track progress, and also see the impact that you're making with your team. So the next time you're in a blueprint and you see that insights icon pop up, feel free to jump in, speak up, and keep your team moving forward. Until next time.